case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The New York Supreme Court Appellate Division made a crucial decision in 1996 regarding a disagreement between Linro Equipment Corp., a laundry machine company, and Westage Tower Associates, a condominium association. The case centered around whether the agreement between the two parties constituted a lease or a license, as it determined the rights and obligations of both parties. The plaintiff had installed coin-operated laundry machines in the condominium and reached an agreement that allowed them to renew the contract for an additional 7 years. However, the defendant terminated the agreement due to multiple complaints. In response, the plaintiff sought a declaration that the agreement was validly extended until March 1, 2001, and a temporary restraining order to prevent the defendant from removing the machines during the pending lawsuit. The court determined that if the agreement only gave the plaintiff a personal privilege to use the space without possessing any interest in it, then it was a license and not a lease. The court then denied the defendant's cross-motion to vacate the temporary restraining order, but did not provide the legal specifics behind this decision. Ultimately, the court modified the order and granted the defendant's cross-motion. It declared the agreement as a license, vacated the restraining order, and affirmed the modified order without costs. The lower court's decision to provide injunctive relief was found to be erroneous and was reversed. Cardona, White, Spain, and Carpinello J.J. concurred in the judgment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.